SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on lower critical solution temperature active supramolecular pi- systems for smart applications. This research was conducted by Deepak Patra et al. And published in 1st January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. This mini review focuses on the current research in lower critical solution temperature open parenthesis LCST close parenthesis active supramolecular pi systems and their application as smart materials. It discusses the challenges involved and future perspectives. LCST is a thermoresponsive behavior based on entropy-driven phase transition of a binary solvent mixture, common in amphiphilic polymers and supramolecule systems. This mini-review synthesizes existing research on LCST active supramolecular pi cyst. It discusses various approaches to designing and controlling these systems, including photomodulation, donor acceptor charge transfer effects, and side chain engineering. The review draws upon numerous cited studies, experimental results, and theoretical considerations to present a comprehensive overview of the field. LCST active supramolecular pi systems exhibit tunable properties sensitive to temperature, enabling applications such as smart windows and nanothermometers. Photomodulation using light-induced cycloaddition or isomerization allows precise control over LCST phase transitions, leading to materials with tunable light transmission. Donor acceptor charge transfer interactions can also modulate LCST behavior, influencing solubility and phase separation in organic solvents. The integration of pi systems with LCST behavior offers a promising avenue for the development of advanced smart materials due to the inherent electronic and optical properties of pi systems. However, several challenges need to be addressed for practical applications. These include the need for diverse color options in smart windows, customization of LCST for various climatic conditions, and further development of supramolecular co-assembly for climate-adaptable windows. LCST active supramolecular pi systems represent a significant advancement in the field of smart materials, offering tunable responses to temperature variations with potential applications in areas such as smart windows, nanothermometers, and biomedical devices.